Lenovo S5. The China-based company also announced two other smartphones, Lenovo K5 and Lenovo K5 Play. The latest addition to the K series of devices seems to be the budget variants of the Lenovo S5. The Lenovo K5, which comes with a glass back, features a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with screen resolution of 1440x720 pixels and 2.5D curved glass panel. Under the hood, it is powered by MediaTek Intel 6750 64-bit octa-core processor clocked at 1.5 GHz along with Mali D860 GPU. The phone packs 3GB RAM and comes with 32GB of internal memory. There's also a microSD card slot, which enables users to expand the phone's storage capacity up to 128GB. However, it has a hybrid card slot, which means that user can either use a microSD card or a secondary SIM card. Coming to the camera department, the phone features a dual camera setup at the back, consisting of a 13-megapixel primary camera lens with f/2.0 aperture and a 5-megapixel secondary lens with f/2.2 aperture. On the front, there sits a 5-megapixel snapper with f/2.0 aperture. The phone also has a fingerprint sensor at the back. Connectivity options on the device include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/grams/n, Bluetooth 4.0, and GPS. The phone is running Android 7.1 Nougat operating system out of the box with ZerUI 3.1 Lite on top. The device is backed by a 3000 mAh battery. On the other hand, the Lenovo K5 Play comes with the same 5.7-inch HD plus 18:9 2.5D curved glass display. However, instead of the MediaTek processor, this Play edition is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor with Adreno 505 GPU.